In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendar to Google Calendar. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to bring another calendar into your Google Calendar using a link. This is perfect for subscribing to a team schedule, a school timetable, or any calendar a service provides as a shareable URL. You'll only need a web browser and the calendar's URL, ideally in iCal format, which often ends with .ics. Start by opening calendar.google.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into the Google account where you want this calendar to appear. I recommend doing this on a desktop for the clearest view of the sidebar and settings. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Hover there and you'll see a small plus sign icon. Click that plus sign. This opens a menu with several ways to bring in new calendars. We're focusing on a URL-based subscription, which keeps your Google Calendar in sync with the source calendar automatically. From that menu, choose from URL. This takes you to a simple page with a single field to paste the calendar link. Now paste the calendar URL you were given. Most providers, like event platforms, project tools, or other calendar apps, will offer a public or shareable iCal link. If the calendar is meant to be public, make sure the link itself is publicly accessible. Private or restricted links won't load correctly. If you're using a private iCal link, treat it like a password. Don't share it and store it securely. Once the URL is in place, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will fetch the feed and subscribe you to it. After a moment, the new calendar will appear under Other Calendars on the left. You'll see its events layered onto your main view, using a distinct color so it's easy to tell them apart. If you like, you can adjust the color or rename the calendar later to keep things organized. A few quick tips as you review your schedule. Subscribed calendars are usually read only, so you can view events but won't edit them directly from Google Calendar. Updates from the source may take a little time to sink in, so if you don't see changes instantly, give it a short while. If you ever encounter a could not fetch URL message, double-check that the link is correct, reachable, and in iCal format. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a calendar to Google Calendar using a URL, keeping your events up to date automatically.